Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this chicken a la king, and it's fit for a king, believe me. It's creamy, rich, you can serve it up over pasta, bread. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So what I got here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now you can use leftover chicken, whatever you got on hand. But I like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice this up. And then cube it. You want some fairly large cubes. Now I should mention I just boil these for about 20 minutes. After that, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter to a preheated pot. We'll go ahead and let this melt down. Add in 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and this is about, I'd say 230 grams. And we're just going to take a few minutes and allow these to cook down. And after the mushrooms have browned nicely, you can see they've released quite a bit of liquid. I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a small chopped onion. And we're just going to saute this for a minute or 2. Now you know what I'm going to say here. I just love the smell of onion and garlic sauteing. Okay, now the onion and garlic are cooked up nicely or sauteed nicely, and the vampires have run out the door. I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to stir this up until kind of a roux forms and the flour is cooked through. So that's the last thing you want, is a mouthful of uncooked flour. And I'm saying, 6 tablespoons, but it really depends on how thick you want it. If you want it super thick, you can add more. But this is going to absorb all of our liquid. And the trick to this is you don't want any white shining through. And that's how you'll kind of know it's cooked. Next up, I'm going to add in 3 cups of chicken stock. Now you can use homemade or you can use the pouches. And we're just going to let this come to a boil. Give it a stir, and this is coming together beautifully. After a boil, and you can see this is starting to thicken up nicely, I'm going to add in a cup of freshly diced carrots and half a cup of frozen peas. Of course, give it a stir, and I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit and just allow this to simmer until the carrots are cooked through. And I should mention too, you can add the veggies of your choice, and red or green bell peppers, whatever you like. This smells so good, guys. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in, and things have thickened up nicely, I should say. I'm going to add in half a cup of heavy cream. And you can use, half and half, table cream, evaporated cream, whatever you like. It's funny, I guess there's no such thing as evaporated cream. It's actually evaporated milk. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken in. Add in some salt. And this is kind of our final seasoning. And if you know me, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. Give it a stir, and we're going to allow this to simmer just for another few minutes. After about 5 minutes, the chicken is heated through, so I'm just going to kill the heat, and we're going to go ahead and serve this up. And this is really great for cold days, guys. The ultimate comfort food. Just look at how creamy this is. And believe me, I've cheated and tasted this, and it is so, so good. And there you have it, guys, our chicken a la king. Absolutely incredibly delicious. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. It's rich, it's creamy, the chicken is tender, the spices, absolutely incredible. And the sauce is so good. Look at put it in a glass and drink it. You gotta make this. You gotta try it. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes you can make over there, fast and easy. You're gonna love them. Thanks for subbing, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.